Hey, it's Dominique from Well Medical Arts, and today we get to do some cheeks, yay, so pretty and fun, and then a little bit of smile lines. We're also going to put just a tiny bit of Botox into the smile lines. So we're going to start out with drawing on you. I'm going to go ahead and raise. All right, go ahead and close your eyes. First, just feel my hand. Turn towards me just a little bit more. Good job. Take that breath in and exhale. Tiny poke. Good job, babe. Well done. Good. And now keep breathing. Good job. Now slow and steady. Almost there. Perfect. Perfect. Great. Breath in and exhale. Tiny poke. Perfect. Love it. Looking so good. And then one more. Breath in and exhale. There we go. Yep, that last one a little bit tender, I can tell. Hang in there. Almost there. There we go. Yay! Looks good. Very natural, very nice. All right, and then gently turn towards me. Chin down just a little. There we go. First the hand, and then take that breath in and exhale. Tiny poke. Good job, babe. Yep, that's the first one that you feel. There we go. And keep breathing. Well done. Looking good. Nice. Breath in and exhale. Now this is just a little bit of cheek. I'm starting you really light, very natural. 1, 2, and exhale. Looks great. And this side, no bleeding. Yay! Great. Yep, tiny dots. Okay, now we're gonna ice up. Thank you. And do these nasolabials.
Yay.
Yay. Tell me when this one's good and cold.
Cold.
Good job. All right, let's get it. Alrighty. Breath in and exhale. Good job with the breathing, babe. Well done. Breath in and exhale. Good job. Nice. Breath in and exhale. That one bite a little bit. I'm sorry, babe. What we'll do is we'll go back and ice a little bit more before we keep going, okay? Yep. And, yep.
Ice a little bit.
Yeah. And it gets tender as it gets a little lower, closer to the mouth.
Okay.
The mouth is where there's more nerve, so it starts out good, okay?
Yeah, I almost felt nothing on the upper one.
Yep, and then you get lower and like, woo, I felt that one. Good job. Almost done. And last one, you made it. Woo! There we go. Right? All right, now I'm gonna get a little arnica and get in here, and I think there's, yep. Thank you. You remember? Sculpt it, make sure it's good and smooth. Gently open. I'm gonna put a finger in and a thumb out and make sure it's nice and smooth. I can feel a little bit of it in there. There it is. And then I can feel it just soften right underneath my fingers. Now the rule is, it's okay for you to be able to feel a little bit of it. Last time you did it, could you feel a little bit of it with your tongue?
Not much.
Not much, good.
Just if I touched it. On the outside, I was like, oh, it's there. Didn't bother me at all.
Good. It's normal to be able to feel it a little bit. You shouldn't be able to see it like a lump, but it's okay to be able to feel a little bit of it in there because it's in there doing what it's supposed to do, taking up a little bit of space. There we go. And yours were pretty deep the first time we went around, so we're using the Juvederm Ultra Plus, which is a little bit thicker. Yep, and it's been working good. This is treatment number 2, and it just keeps getting better and better. But bumped out nicely. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see just that little bit to the cheek? Look at how nice the cheek looks. Isn't that just look healthy? And that's just a little bit though. I would say maybe even a little bit more next time, right? But healthy. And then here, looks pretty good. Little bit of swelling, a little bit of poke, poke, poke. You know, all of that heals perfect. And now I'm going to do the same thing. This side has a little bit more of the line itself. And so I might need to do a little bit of the poke, poke, poke to get the seam out. It's just a little bit different techniques. Now we haven't done any Botox up here on you. What do you feel about that? Does it bother you?
Now that I wear a mask, kind of. Before it wasn't a big deal. This is the big deal. I think about it sometimes. I think once the Botox here wears out, I think I'll come and do it everything.
Sounds good.
Yeah. How many units probably would you need it?
Right here, standard starting dose is 20 units.
Okay.
And you could use that because this one's pretty strong. Now raise your eyebrows. I would probably only do about 10 to 12 up on your forehead. So let's say like 30. 32. Yeah. There it is, yep. Good and cold. Hang in there. Breath in and exhale. Tiny poke. There we go. Very good. Hang in there. I'm doing the warm compress for swelling. So, cold before to vasoconstrict, to shrink down the little blood vessels so it will do less bleeding and bruising. And then warm afterwards to take down the swelling. All right. Looks great.
Okay.
Just gonna hold pressure here for a second. Let that finish. All right, so we just finished up doing Juvederm Ultra Plus. A little half and half in the cheek here, just to give a little bit of lifting and support. And then 1 syringe through these nasolabial folds, a combination of going from the underside to bump out, and then a little bit right into the line. She may swell, she may bruise a little bit, but it's sure gonna look gorgeous when it heals. You look great. How was it for you?
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally fine, no problem.